If you own one of these DGA452 Makita cordless angle grinders, it's a little brushed version and it stops working. The first thing you do is pop off this little cap on the side. There's one of those on each side, and then there's another cap that covers the brushes. If you can't screw this off with a screwdriver, that means it's overheated and melted the brush holder. So what you have to do is open it up, replace the brush holder, the brushes, and these end caps. There's one on each side. But the good news is the motor will be okay. Here are the parts you'll need to carry out the repair. Brush holder, brushes and caps. Here they are out of the packaging so you can see them better, what's involved. I would suggest you'd purchase this whole kit to repair this grinder because it's so inexpensive. If you buy the genuine kit like I have, it shouldn't cost you more than £20. I have seen this kit for as little as £9 or £10 on eBay. If you fancy carrying it to repair, check out this video. I'll show you exactly how to do it.